YouTube. It's Mom's Day. If you want to be listening, you better pay attention. We learning about makeup and hair and all our business. You want to have a good time with her, Bree, and the family. So take a seat, sit back and watch. We finna get it poppin' out here. Stop.
Hello, my beauties and gents. It's Mama Day here. Hello, my beauties and gents. It is Mama Day here. This is not a hair update, a hair tutorial. It probably should be. I bought some products. I wanted to do this on Black Friday, but I just got them today, and today is February 26th. The month is about to be over soon, so it's just going to be an unboxing. It is a Black-owned business, hence it's going to be on Black Friday. Black History Month. Black Friday. Jesus, what am I talking about? Ordered from Petals. I ordered so much it don't make no sense. Oh my gosh, look at this. She gave me candies. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's go into the first thing. Okay, pink sugar body custard. When I tell you, her custard is amazing. It's amazing. This is not my favorite product. It's pink sugar, guys. I love pink sugar. So this is what it comes packaged in. Of course, it's been a little, but you know, the mail or whatever. The butter, the custard is amazing. When you use it, it lasts forever. I use this. Most of you know I'm a healthcare worker, right? I'm a radiographer. So, you know, washing your hands every day after every patient, after you touch everything is just horrible to my hands. I do use this every day for my custard, for my hands. What she gives you. She gives you a free product every time. I love this. This one is the Lace and Pearls soap. The soaps I bought was the Misbehavior soap, the Queen Handmade soap. I'm going to read to you guys in a minute what's all in them, but I just want to show you the pink sugar soap, which is obvious, it's pink sugar. The Sparkle Handmade soap, and another pink sugar, and you'll know why. I mean, obviously you see the custard. So I think all her soaps, she just really just shows you what makes the product, but not what the oils are. I mean, I get that, boo. Hold your recipe. Ain't no shame in your game. 5 soaps though. I'm really excited. Her soaps are amazing. Hey guys. Okay, so I really want to quickly explain what's going on. When I first purchased for them, she had 14-ounce bottles, and what I see here is 8-ounce, which means the size is completely different, but I still paid $18.99. I did contact the owner after making this video and found out that she mistakenly bought the wrong size bottle. It was her mistake, and so for that, anyone that got bonuses because they got more than they usually do. So this is Misbehavior. It smells nice. It smells, is this one that had the black currant in it? No, I don't think so. It smells very fruity. Misbehavior smells really nice, and I bought the soap, so I'm hoping they go well together. This is the pink sugar. Obviously, I have 2 soaps of pink sugar. I'm really looking forward to the smell. I kind of smell the pink sugar. I smell more of the oil than I do the pink sugar, but I had that problem with this one, and I just noticed I had to shake it up a little bit to get it. This is the one I'm looking forward to as well. The Sparkle. I think the Sparkle is the one that had the black currant, or it might have been the other one. No, it's this one. It's this one. Oh my God. I am mad I didn't buy 2 of these. No, I did. I'm going to love this. I'm going to love this one. I can tell y'all right now because that smells delicious. Now, I will tell y'all, Craig fell in love with this elixir. I was just genuous, you know, gradually using this. And then one day I went to bed and I used coconut oil and my lotion, one of my Bath and Body Works, versus using this just because I'm trying to get rid of it. And Craig was like, now mind you, I use coconut oil. Craig was like, where's the other one? I said, other what? And he was like, no, where's the stuff to make you shiny when you come out the shower? And I was like, you talking about this? And he was like, yeah, babe, that smells good and you look good. And I was like, oh, well, thank you. Okay. Not knowing I didn't know you was looking, but you was looking. Her soaps are amazing. They lather well, they smell good. And then if you top them with this, it's just amazing. You double top with this, you'll be smelling like that all day. All day. Like let the wind hit you. You can be like, damn, girl, you smell good. Right. As always, I hope you like it. You love it. Comment below and tell me what you think. Bye.